Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the Practice Overview Report. The Practice Overview Report is a high-level summary of how the practice is performing and can be used to quickly see some of the basic performance metrics. An overview of the practice's transactions for a certain period will be displayed. The report will also indicate the audit trail for the chosen time period. First, let us go over how to navigate to the Practice Overview Report panel. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the report segment to open the dashboard screen. Navigate to the Practice Overview Report panel, which is automatically expanded. Now we will go over the contents of the Practice Overview Report panel. A breakdown of turnover, journals, medical aid outstanding, as well as patient outstanding will be displayed on a graph. The graph is separated by the X and Y axes. The X-axis will be separated by the date, and the Y-axis will display the total of each item. A legend will be available to assist the user with differentiating between each color-coded item. Please note that in order to exclude any items on the legend from the graph, click on the item that the user wishes to remove. In order to get a detailed breakdown of the information found on the Practice Overview Report, such as the cash flow on specific dates, turnover, user logs, etc., click on the Details button. The Detailed View Practice Overview screen will open. Various columns are available giving a breakdown of the Practice Overview Report. The rekeningnommer column will display the debtor number of the person that is responsible for the account. The invoice number column will display the unique number allocated to the billing that was posted. The date on which items or services were provided during a patient's visit will be shown under the invoice date column. The date and time that the invoice was posted on will be displayed under the capture date column. The fin period column will display the financial period wherein the invoice was posted. The turnover column will show the amount of money billed on the specific date. The amount of money that has been received in the practice for a specific invoice will be displayed under the cash flow column. Any write-offs or discounts that were done will be displayed under the journals column. The net turnover column will show the user the total turnover minus any costs incurred. The sum of the patients and medical aid outstanding will be displayed in the outstanding column. Medical aid outstanding will show the amount of money owed by the medical aid on specific invoices. Patient outstanding will show the amount of money owed by the patient on specific invoices. The user who posted the invoice will display under the last user column. The unique identifying number linked to certain cash books will be displayed under the kasboeknommer column. The user is able to navigate through the results using the page forward and page backward arrows. To return back to the dashboard screen, click on the Cancel button. If the user would like to download a CSV format of the information displayed and return back to the dashboard screen, click on the Download button. Now we will go over the additional options found within the Practice Overview Report panel. If the user would like to download the chart into a CSV format, click on the Download button. Click on the Refresh button to refresh the graph if any changes were made but not applied yet. The user is able to change the date range from when the information is filtered from, and to when the information will be filtered to. A date picker will open by either field, where the user is able to select the desired dates. The user is also able to hover over the graph bars for a preview of the total of each item.